Verse 1. Then the kingdom of heaven shall be likened to 10 virgins who took their lamps and went out to meet the bridegroom. Now 5 of them were wise, and 5 were foolish. Those who were foolish took their lamps, and took no oil with them. But the wise took oil in their vessels with their lamps. But while the bridegroom was delayed, they all slumbered and slept. And at midnight a cry was heard, "Behold, the bridegroom is coming, go out to meet him." Then all those virgins arose and trimmed their lamps. And the foolish said to the wise, "Give us some of your oil, for our lamps are going out." But the wise answered, saying, "No, lest there should not be enough for us and you, but go rather to those who sell and buy for yourselves." And while they went to buy, the bridegroom came, and those who were ready went in with him to the wedding, and the door was shut. Afterward, the other virgins came also, saying, "Lord, Lord, open to us." But he answered and said, Assuredly, I say to you, I do not know you. Watch therefore, and you shall neither the day nor the hour in which the Son of Man is coming. So ang kasalanan dito ay tulad din ng maraming kaugalian. Ang kasalan dito ay tulad din ng maraming kaugalian ng kasal sa ibang bansa sa panahon noon. Na ang lalaking ikakasal ay sasalubungin ng 10 birhen na kaibigan nila ng kanyang mapapangasawa. Ang 10 ito ay kasama sa entourage. Ang bridegroom dito, ang lalaking ikakasal, ay nag-represent ng ating Panginoon Jesus. Naantala ang pagdating niya at inantok sila lahat at nakatulog. Subalit, ng hating gabi ay may sumigaw, "Narito na ang lalaking ikakasal. Lumabas kayo para salubungin siya." Ang 5 birhen na hindi handa ay namili pa ng langis at di na nakaabot at nasarhan na ng pinto sa tahanan ng lalaking ikakasal. Tulad din ng nasarhan ng pinto nang tumaas ang tubig sa ark ni Noah, na sila ay nasa labas. Pagdating ni Jesus, magugulat din ang maraming tao. Pareho rin sa pagbalik niya, patuloy ang buhay ng tao, may kalakal, may nagtatanim, may kinakasal. Patuloy ang buhay ng tao, may ninegosyo din, busy ang tao sa mga sports. Mga nangaral ng salita ng Diyos ay tinatawag rin para magsisi ang mga tao. At marami din magsasabi sa kanilang, "Ako lalapit kay Jesus." Maging wais tayo, tumingin tayo sa hinaharap. Mabubuhay lagi tayo at tumingin sa eternidad. Dadating ang araw, mahiwalay din ang peke at tunay na Kristiyano. Lahat ng tao ay tatayo sa harapan ng Hari ng mga hari.